Hey everyone! In case you're wondering why my hair is like this, it's because I'm a DIY musician and this is just my way of curling my hair so that I can do some self-portraits later, photos, but I need this mount in order to take those photos. So, I'm going to do an unboxing video today of this Ubeesize phone mount. Let's get this thing opened up. So it just came like this. Now obviously this box came in another box, but I had ordered some other things that I'm not going to be doing an unboxing for. So I just took out this box and this is exactly how it's come. Looks like it's got a remote and there's a button for both iOS and Android. So that's nice. And then we've got this, so this is the tripod mount. Get that out there. So it's very grippy, the legs, which is good. It's kind of this grippy foam, and as advertised, the legs can bend into any shape you want, so that's cool. Yeah. And let's see what else we got here. So we've got this baggie. Let's rip that open. So this looks like a mounting mechanism of some sort here. We'll get that again later. And then, what else do we have in here? We've got, so this is the actual clamp, it looks like. So your phone would go in there. And then, what else do they have in this box? Bluetooth remote shutter instructions. Great. A qualified certificate QC pass, it says. Interesting triangular shape. And love and thank. By Ubeesize Global. And then there's also assembly instructions. Perfect. This clamp just goes right on here. Yeah, so it seems like this piece here is for a sport camera, so like a GoPro or something. But just for your simple iPhone, screwing this clamp right on top here should do the trick. And then we've got this little key here, which can be used to just adjust the angle. There, so now this can actually turn at any angle, and then you just put this back in here to keep it in place. So let's test this out, that's really cool. Got my iPhone here. Okay. Okay, perfect. And this guy can be bent any which way. I wonder if I could do, a friend of mine was saying I could do like a shoulder mount like this if I was filming someone else. Or, for my next unboxing video, then I can actually have two cameras and do a whole two-camera shoot. Now, this remote, it does come with the battery inside, so that's nice. And there's a little toggle on the side here, so I'm assuming if I just turn that, on, so the blue light comes on, Bluetooth on, and there's the device right there, so I'm going to choose that. And it says connected, and so the blue light stopped blinking. Let's try this. I'm gonna go to my camera. And why don't I flip this around so I'll take a selfie. Oh, that's going to show you how messy the behind the camera is. Maybe I'll just turn it this way. Okay, there we go, there we go. Now, so I'm just going to press this. Works like a charm. Okay, I'm going to turn it to video. Change it to video, and then I'll press the iOS button. It starts recording. That's amazing. That was amazingly smooth and easy, and I really think that that's excellent design, is when something's intuitive, you know, you don't have to spend too much time figuring it out. It just works. So that's my unboxing. I'm hoping I'm pronouncing this correctly, but it's the Ubeesize Tripod Pro is what it's called. And I got this on Amazon. It was like 30 bucks or something. 30 bucks Canadian. So I'm really excited to use this. Thanks for watching. Oh, and if you like this video, try to hit subscribe or like below, please. Thanks.